On this episode of The Dope Outdoors, Oliver becomes a culinary expert. Some peculiar sounds are made. Joe takes on some primitive roads. Wild animals get in the way. And so much more on this episode of The Dope Outdoors.
Rockstar energy.
What are your thoughts on nature?
Nature is magnificent and it needs to be preserved.
Why?
Because if it's not preserved, we don't get little fellows like that over there.
Hey buddy, what you got there? That's a skunk. Blue 42.
What a beautiful sight. Okay, so we got the bathroom over here, the living room, in there, yeah. Another bathroom, side closet, the balcony. That's the crib.
Should we go down the path?
I do. Yeah, let's do the path.
And his name is John Cena! We just got done at Denny's. Filled our bellies up. And now we're about to go hit the road. Fossil Creek Waterfall is gonna be amazing, beautiful, awesome. And it's like a 3-hour drive, so I'm gonna get ready for that. We're in the middle of absolute nowhere. How you feel about this?
Pretty good. Gassed up.
We've been driving like 30 hours. We have about 45 minutes left on this road. Still a little bit spooked. I'm just trying not to look down at this point. I mean, like, I know that my car is gonna make it. I'm pretty confident on this road. Like, just the more I go, the easier it gets. But it's always gonna be a little bit scary driving on a mountain, because look at it. I mean, it's scary. And also it's bear country. So if a bear runs up on me, I'm gonna be so mad.
What the cow doing?
We finally made it here. It's amazing. And I'm really excited to get on that trail. The old reliable Chevy tracks did a great job. And it was a very bumpy road, but we got here and we're parked and we're safe. And that's what matters.
Hear the water? That's right. Take a second to listen. Nature is beautiful.
Yo! Waterfall! Whoa! That's amazing. Check this out. Oh my God.
Swim in there.
Yeah. I'm about to set up the hammock. I only brought one strap today, so that's just what we're gonna have to deal with, I guess. That'll work. We're gonna go swim now. We're about to get into the water. We're both scared of E. coli and freezing. So we'll see how that goes. This is better than we ever could have imagined. This is awesome, incredible. There's a cave, a waterfall. Y'all gotta pull up. All right, now we're gonna go back to the hammock. Cool stuff. I think this is my favorite hike of all time, and it was definitely worth the 3-hour drive. We're probably gonna stay here a little bit longer, get some more footage, and we'll see what happens.
We just finished our hike at Fossil Creek and it was awesome. I also climbed really high up and I went in a cave. Check out Fossil Creek with your friends.
Thank you guys very much for watching. I really appreciate it. We had an excellent time. And subscribe to see us do more things like this. And also leave a comment and let us know where we should go next.